I greet on my people. This one, in fact, the matter shocked me. They just catch one notorious kidnapper and killer, and this one they happen inside Ado Ekiti. And how this guy has to take boss now when he decides, say, among all person will be saying one kidnap, na him mother-in-law, he can't decide, say, he won't go carry this woman. This guy never even fear. Say this woman hand over his daughter in goodwill. Now there, this guy decides, now this woman gongo, I realize that my mother-in-law get money. So now she gongo, I want you to do kidnapping business. Now there, they don't go boss this guy. My people never watch this one, eh? They can follow me see.
Hello, hello.
Ben sir. Kí ni alias ẹ? Bumi Bafo. Ọmọ bíbí ìlú Ògùn ni ẹ?
Ado.
Eh?
Ado.
Ọmọ Ado ni ẹ?
Ben sir.
Ládùúgbò wo? Ìdọ̀lọ́fin. Nílùú Ìlúgbò.
Ado.
Nílùú Ado. Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ?
49.
Eh?
49.
49 years.
Yes sir.
Okay. Kí ló bí ẹ débi?
Ọ̀rọ̀ kidnapping ló gbé mi débi.
Ọ̀rọ̀
kidnapping.
Ọ̀rọ̀ kidnapping ló gbé débi?
Ben sir.
Okay. Mo fẹ́ kó dárúkọ àwọn kidnapping tí o ti participate, tí o ti ṣe ní ìlú Èkìtì.
Number one tí mo kọ́kọ́ ṣe ní iṣẹ́ Akínbámi.
Iṣẹ́
Akínbámi.
Ta ni Akínbámi?
Mi orúkọ tó ń pè nìyẹn, ó dàpọ̀ ní filling station.
Okay. Okay.
Number 2, iṣẹ́ woman kan báyìí ní ìmọ̀ ní ọkọ ẹ̀, retired retired surveyor general.
Okay. Okay.
Number 3,
okay.
Àkúrẹ́.
Okay.
Ìtẹ̀ mo dàbí pastor ni.
Okay.
Number 4 ní iṣẹ́ Ọlájẹ́ǹdé.
Ta ni Ọlájẹ́ǹdé yẹn?
Mother-in-law mi ni.
Mother-in-law yẹn?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Bí mother-in-law yẹn ló ṣe jẹ́?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Nariwa, hey, some people get confidence. Oh. The way they even talk, say, they very certain. Say, this guy now work when they do. It be like say don't broke to the extent he don't realize say in other clients no go gree pay. He don't notice say in mother-in-law get small cash, make him come decide to torment the woman. And make na they look by the time we be say they go even call in wives. Your mama we don't carry her. Instead go follow the wife, they cry up and dance. My wife they don't kidnap him. Not knowing say na him be the master planner. The guy won't collect him bread price back. If I just talk him, say mommy give me back my money. This one will be say you come with a plan kidnapping of person mama and not even see how this whole thing they relate. In fact, if say na me be that woman, in fact this marriage don't end. The marriage don't die because how you go to live with this kind of person? Person will do this one to your mama. How much more you? One day you go just carry paper come say make you sign. The person go just sell you just like give you out. And this man I no go surprise saying get children. He get grandchildren. He be say his mama go even see and they take care of those children. But you no even look and say make I pity this woman. Now I can't hear the pity they do one can eye. So make they forgive her. I beg her they won't they forgive you. For this kind of way you go do. And I go just see they pretend. I don't know bear na money. Now desperate and they carry people they do this kind of one. Because to me it be like say people just they way too desperate. They don't mind how they go take make money. Because this kind of work it no even click at all. If say they do them for outside, they do them for people fine and good. No be say go come carry and come inside family. Now why they talk say now to trust person it don't they hard. No even trust a single your own family member self. Now if they do you. Family now people don't they use them for business. I say before people they trust family. Now I mean say your family no even they safe. Your husbands and wife know this they feel just use yourself for ritual. So people wait there out there make them they very very careful. My people and this one now here now see make I bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story. This one another wahala for one of our Nigerian artists by name Mohbad. I hear say this guy don't go land inside prison for Cyprus. So waiting carry this our musician reach there, I no know. But based on waiting that they see, this guy don't they cry out to people. So maybe they can't help him say because waiting Cyprus police don't lock him for their airport for that side. And claim me say na him promoter, na him don't fuck him up. But me as I look at all this whole thing, I'm not sure say na set up. I feel say maybe you don't do something, I be they find something inside your bag, where na waiting carry land this place. And we look at like this, you even still get your phone. If they put you for prison, I'm not sure say your phone go dey your hand. So this one will be say, dey your phone, they use and they post story. Kuku use and call your sponsors and people will be say they know you. May they come bail you out. Or you call your big brother Naira Mali if your own problem self no passing you. But you go call am make him come bail you out. Because we when you dey call out on social media, you no even tell us say you dey go Cyprus. You no even inform us. Why be say na you come dey give us call? Say make we come help you. Anyway, make it no be like say we won't abandon you. Now waiting make we come as I come dey announce this one. So I beg you will be say you know say you dey Cyprus and you get lawyer, be you get anybody who go fit help this guy. I beg, try and help am. Make them no just go carry am now, go land am inside self for something wey you no do. Because him dey claim now say nothing happen. But I sure say sooner or later, our Cyprus police go come as I come talk, and maybe our Nigerian ambassadors for there. They say go put mouth on top this matter because as it be like this, me I don't know what this guy do. So this why be say don't go laugh for Cyprus with your wahala. Now you go face am by yourself. But I beg, if na fear help am, make na try help am. Anyways, my people, now here I go end am on this story. Make na stay tuned for our next story.